Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the TCP scan. The previous video, we took a look at something called the SYN scan, and it is indeed sort of a TCP scan because it's sending TCP packets. But at the same time, in order for us to call something connected, it means the server and the client should be communicating, right? And in the previous video, in the SYN scan, we saw that it's going to stop with the SYN request and it's going to drop the packets after that, which means there's no connection. There's no actual connection taking place. It's just the request that is taking place. In this video, we'll be taking a look at a flag in which the connection completely takes place. But again, this is not a stealthy scan because the complete connection takes place, which means the firewall can detect what is going on. A firewall is something that can detect all ongoing connections, right? And it is used for monitoring a device or a server. So this is not completely stealthy, and it could put you in danger if you're doing it in a device where you're not authorized to. So please keep in mind that you have to try this only on your own device because it could potentially get you into trouble. So let's get started. Again, you need sudo privileges for this. And last time we saw that it said dash S capital S. Over here is dash S capital T because T stands for TCP. So it's easier for you to remember. And again, we have our target IP address. Let's press enter. And by the way, when you press enter as the scan is going on, you'll be able to see how much time it took or how much time it's taking, the estimated time remaining, etc. It's returning the same results, so nothing different over here. In the SYN scan and the TCP scan, you usually would get the same results, but at the same time, sometimes the TCP scan could end up returning a lot more ports because you're establishing a complete connection. Obviously, stealthy scans have their pros and cons, and at the same time, TCP has its pros and cons. TCP would take a little bit longer than your SYN scan because the SYN scan you're just requesting, and in the TCP scan, a complete connection is getting established. In the next video, we'll be talking about something called the UDP scan, but you could probably already guess the syntax for it. In TCP, it was capital T, in UDP, it's going to be capital U. But we'll look at it in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.